Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn where you can find the recovery key for your account on Ente.com. So let us begin. So guys, launch the desktop app of Ente.com, or you can log into your account through the web application. Both ways work for this method. So what you want to do is log into your account, of course. Click into these three lines in the top left, and then guys you will see this option here, account. Click into it. And then you will need to navigate to recovery key here. And of course, I'm not going to show my recovery key, but what you will need to do guys is enter your password here and click into authenticate to have your recovery key displayed on the next page here. So make sure that you write it down, memorize it, and so on and so forth to keep it. For example, you may need the recovery key if you forget the password to your account. So one of these are definitely needed to log into your account in case you lose access to it, either the recovery key or the password. Both or the best way would be to have them both written down separately guys, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.